Welcome back with another video. Today I'm going to be replacing the headliner on a 2017 Mustang V6. This is the car right here. It's actually a 2015, but all the bodies look the same basically. As you guys can see, this is the condition of it right now. This whole back part is hanging out. There's holes up here, all messed up all around. Really dirty. Really messed up, as you guys can see. I'm gonna be replacing the headliner. Let's get right into it. The process is pretty easy. You just gotta pull this thing down, it just comes off. As you guys can see, there's just two clips. You just pull down on them, it'll come off. Then this side, just gotta take out this screw. It's like a T5 or something like that. And then right here, you just take out the other star screw. And this thing curves out like this. You see there's like a little angle, you just curve it and it comes out. So correction, it's a T10 screw and this is just a regular Phillips screw. So now it's basically ready to come down. All you gotta do is pull down on the weather stripping right here. Well, this is already kind of out. Just gotta get the other side. As you guys can see, headliner came out pretty easy. Took maybe like less than 5 minutes. Looks like this car was worked on before, so that's why it was a little easier. So actually, this car, the headliner board's kind of messed up, so I'm gonna try gluing it. Try putting it back together. I didn't get a chance to record the process of me gluing on the headliner, but if you click up here, you'll see the video of me gluing on the headliner and also adding stars. I finally got the headliner complete. The whole backboard of the headliner was messed up. I tried fixing it as much as I can, making it flat and making it good. This is the new Suede headliner. About to put it back into the car. Stay tuned. As you guys can see, the back isn't sagging anymore. It wasn't even the fabric that was sagging, it was the whole headliner itself because it was ripped. But I got it to stay up there. I used some extra strong Gorilla double-sided tape, I believe. And it holds up to 30 pounds, which I'm sure this is less, but so it should stay up there pretty good. This is the headliner. Not sagging in the back. Pretty good. Came out not too bad for a board that was really messed up. On our way right now to get the customer's reaction and to see how he likes it. So to get the customer's reaction on his headliner. Not sagging in the back. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys liked the video, please give it a like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more content. Peace out, guys.